So on a surface like this with all the different surfaces, different contours, different angles, different things, in the past, like if we're looking to restore the post, we'd have to chemically strip it, which is a time-consuming process and is just all around not very fun. So with a scraper such as this one that can get into contours and intricate areas, it's very beneficial for this specific project. So on a project like this, I would start with the teardrop. So the teardrop is able to get into these tight areas, and with light pressure and a bit of practice and feel, you're able to remove the paint in these tight areas. And what's great about this blade is if you just flip it around, you have a convex curve, which can go into your concaved areas on your surface. So you can get into both areas, these tight areas, and more of your wider concave plane surfaces to remove paint and remove failing substrates. So next on this project, I would use a concave blade. So this concave blade is great for our convex surfaces, and it is very important to have a sharp blade at all times while scraping. So these blades are able to be sharpened. I personally don't enjoy sharpening blades, don't want to waste the time. So you can purchase brand new blades that Hyde sells, and you can just interchange these very easily on a job site. There's no delays, and having a sharp blade is essential when doing these projects, because the more that you dig and gouge at the surface, the more work you're going to have when you're into your finish. And having a sharp blade will save you time in the long run.